Y'all, time for part 5 of my burping series. Not really series, but yay! Yeah! Microphone. That's what makes me happy. Directly into the microphone. Oh, don't spit on it. There. I hate you. Try hooking it up to my lip. Oh, bubbly. I did not eat soda. That was weird. Throw up or something. Just kidding, my mic didn't disconnect. Wait, Koopa! I want to put him up on my microphone. Koopa, do you want to eat a microphone? Because that's what you're gonna do. Oh, he's not making any noise. Oh, you're good, Koopa. Is he dead? That's big. How? Oh my gosh! Yo! I just remembered something. Why is this one rock so heavy? Yo. I can make a nether portal out of this. I can know the nether portal from Minecraft. I can make that. I can make this. I can make this. Like, listen to it. Man, but wait. Watch this. I'm literally changing the entire theme of this video right now. Obsidian, diamond pickaxe. Crap, I broke it. It's not working. Crab. Oh! Burpee Murphy. Burping Murphy! I want to yell into this thing. I want to yell. I'm going to scream into this. Each burping video is going to be 6 minutes.